Hell yeah. Ooh, she looking good right now. Man, I tell you, if it's one thing I don't mess around with is my cars. I take care of my cars and my trucks like it's damn near like blood. You know what I'm saying? What is going on, y'all? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I hope you guys have had so far a good week. Today is Thursday. You guys will probably be seeing this video tonight and tomorrow, because I noticed a trend that a lot of you guys will watch the video the next day. Don't know if it's because, you know, that's when you have time to watch it, or if, you know, whatever. But none to say, you watch the video and I appreciate it. I respect it, and I love you all for that, okay? So real quick, we're going to start this video off. This video is just me. It's just going to be a vlog, just me talking and stuff about near things that are going to be coming to the truck. I'm really excited. I'm pumped, just because, you know, I feel like the last real thing we did to the truck was head studs, and since then it's kind of been a little flat. So I'm trying to keep you guys in the loop. I'm trying to keep you guys, you know, around the channel and stuff. So we definitely have some things coming up soon. A lot of big news that I will announce in probably the next video, once I talk about what's going to be happening to the truck here soon. But I'm extremely excited. First off, one thing, thank you guys for the feedback on the last video. A lot of you seem to really enjoy that video where I did a complete walk around of the truck. It was a little long, but I went through in and out everything I've done to this truck since I bought it, and I appreciate it so much. Two, shout out to Time Changing, because it's like, let me see what time it is real quick. It's almost 7 o'clock. And we still have light outside. I mean, come on now. It cannot get any better than that. You know what I'm saying? Before I was getting off work and the sun was already setting. Like, I only had maybe like 45, 50 minutes to make a video. Now, man, it's almost 7 and I still got time to make a video. So definitely shout out to the Time Changing, because that's going to be helping us out a lot in the summer. Okay. So you guys, I'm grateful for y'all. I love you all. I'm so happy to make videos and film for the channel. I love making videos. A year ago, a little over a year ago, if you would have asked me if I had known it would have been this fun and enjoyable making videos, I would have not been able to give you an answer, because I didn't know. But fast forward in a year, man, the channel's growing strong. The community they love it, and you know, I'm just happy to be doing this stuff. So with that being said, let me go ahead. I'll show y'all old girl, show y'all how we doing. We got some things we got to take care of and tighten up. I'm going to talk about that, and I'm going to talk about some stuff that we have that's going to be coming to the truck in the near future, okay? One more thing, if you like this video, or even if you don't like it, help a brother out. Give this video a thumbs up, because you guys know that helps the channel grow so much. It helps the videos get put out there. It just helps everything. So if you enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. And also feel free to subscribe to the channel, because you guys know, man, it's a big family. We got a lot of stuff coming, a lot of just cool shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just, you know, hit those 2 buttons. All right, you guys, so I figured I'd approach you with the not bad news, but things that need to get addressed quickly, and then we'll talk about the cool shit. So first thing off the bat, I just ordered today on Amazon some new brake rotors and brake pads for the rear tires. And here's why. Look at that. That looks disgusting, right? Yeah, I know, it does. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm embarrassed, but hey, you live, you learn, and maybe you guys will see this and be like, well, that's a sign for me to do it too. I mean, what this is rust. This is metal, iron fallout from my rotors. What's happening right now is my pads are completely flat. They're grinding on the rotors, and they're scraping out metal contaminants. And you know what I'm saying? All right, guys. So I know I was talking, and it kind of sounded weird when I clicked out, but I ordered some food. I ordered some pizza, and the pizza dude came in my neighborhood going fucking 50 miles an hour, or just fast as shit. In my neighborhood, mind you, this is a neighborhood of kids. I got a son, and there's multiple families in here that have kids. Most of the kids play outside when they get home, and he pulled up storming in the driveway. It looked like he was about to shoot somebody, but was super pissed, or looked upset. And I was just like, and I've ordered from, it was Papa John's. I ordered from them before, and I was like, yo man, what's up? Like, you all right? I've talked to the delivery dude multiple times. He was like, nah man, I'm just trying to make bread. I'm like, oh, okay. He's like, yeah, I just found out my girl's pregnant. I'm like, all right, well, you know, there's families and kids in here. Like, be careful, man. You don't want to run somebody over or jeopardize yourself. And he, in one ear, out the other, got it back in his car, drove out. I'm like, whatever. So I'm going to show y'all what I was talking. I just had to tell y'all that real quick because it was kind of weird and it was super. I was about to grab my piece for a second. Okay, so like I was saying, we have to fix the rotor situation. So what happened is pretty much the brake pads have been eating the shit out of the rotors, and you can't tell from this angle, but trust me, I'm gonna make a video changing out the rear rotors and brake pads. You guys will definitely see it, and it's been grinding the shit out of it, throwing out a bunch of dust and iron particles, and they've been clinging to the paint. And then it rained yesterday. So obviously when moisture contacts it, it's going to orange and turn orange. I mean, that's pretty much the process of rusting, right? I mean, it's kind of aggravating because I checked these not that long ago, maybe about 6 months ago, and they were fine. Did not think they were going to go out that quick. So when I noticed this happening, I jumped online and started researching. I was going to go to Advanced Auto to get some rotors, but them motherfuckers wanted $115 for one single rotor. And it was their brand, CarQuest. I went on Amazon and I bought 2 rotors, drilled and slotted with 4 brake pads, $115 with prime shipping. Thank you, Amazon, so much. And if you were curious, in the front, I do run Amazon, or I run eBay rotors in the front. No problems, brakes good, no issues whatsoever. I did change the pads recently though, so we're gonna be doing that on the rear soon. But I just had to tell you guys that. I mean, I think you can see some of the rust. Like look at that shit, man. It is bad. It's bad, and I can hear it. I can hear it grinding when I'm driving, and it sounds so shitty. Because when I pull up in the parking lot, everybody sees a truck, and they're like, "Damn, look at that diesel truck right there!" And then they hear it, and they're like, "Oh shit, that thing's clapped out." But we're gonna be doing that. Okay. Next, what do we have next? So next, what we have is going to be track bars that are being custom made for this truck, and they're coming in. My little receipt fell down. We got track bars coming in, okay? That is going to, 1, change the look, I feel like, a lot. 2, it's also going to help in terms of, 1, having a lifted truck, and 2, running bigger tires, and 3, keeping the tires and that torque to the ground, okay? I'm not going to go super in depth right now, but I'll wait for the install video of the track bars. But pretty much, if you want to run track bars, or if you don't know why you would run track bars, the reason why you would want to run track bars is because, and there's helicopters flying over. The reason why you would want to, let me show you guys real quick. So those are 2 V-22 Ospreys flying right now, okay? I do not work on those helicopters, but, you know, it is what it is. Anyways, the reason why you want to run track bars is because that when there's something called axle wrap. Axle wrap is pretty much the axle wanting 2 things. It wants to shimmy. So let's say this is the axle. It wants to shimmy back and forth like that, but it also wants to kind of fold, like it kind of wants to tuck itself under because of the amount of torque that is being put to it. And if you have big tires or a lift, track bars is a must. I've never really talked about them a lot in the past, but it's something you really would like. You would be super excited and you would be really happy of doing. They say you can feel the traction, you can feel the power being applied to the wheels, and it stays at the wheels. It doesn't hop. A real easy way to tell if you need track bars, if you get on your truck and it kind of feels like it's bouncing, kind of like it's skipping, that is a prime sign that you need some track bars on the truck. So we're getting some, man. We're gonna get some. It's been long overdue, and you guys already know what color I'm gonna do the track bars. All right, come on now, y'all know how I am. You know we're gonna go with that VHT gold metallic paint. And I'm telling you, man, I'm just so excited because it's gonna look so good with the truck setup right now with the white paint, the black wheels, the gold shocks, or the gold springs and the gold shocks in the back. And you're gonna see track bars coming up, man. It's gonna look legit. The dude who's doing it, me and him are in the works right now of partnering up, making a partnership. He will be another. I can't talk. He'll be another member that's going to be supporting everything diesel on the channel. But I'm going to wait for that until we finalize everything and, you know, we kind of get all of the side stuff taken care of. But we have that coming. Track bars is going to be on its way. Now, a lot of you wanted me to talk about how to wire up LED light bulbs to a 3rd gen Cummins specifically, and I will be bringing you that video this weekend. I just didn't have enough time today to do it because it would involve me taking off the headlight, and then, I mean, that takes like not even 5 minutes, but still, I just didn't have time today. Please be on the lookout for that video soon. I will be making that video showing you guys how I wired these up. Super simple, super easy. You guys are gonna be like, wow, I can't believe I didn't think of that myself. Not that I'm not saying you guys are like, you know, dumb or nothing. I'm just saying like, it's that easy. So that video will be coming out soon too as well. Hopefully tomorrow if I have the time. So if we come to the back of the truck, we notice that it looks good. It looks alright. You know, it ain't ugly or nothing, but it just, I feel like it's missing something. It needs a little piece. It needs something to it. Okay. And that's what we're going to be doing. 2 things. One, tail lights. I'm going to be ordering some new LED tail lights. If you guys have been following the channel for a while, you know last summer I did put new tail lights on the truck, but one of them flew off, so I had to put the OEM ones back on. Number 2, the bumper. That bumper is going to be going soon. No, I'm not getting a roll pan because I personally like being able to step into my bed if I want to get into it, and I just don't. You do a roll pan, you gotta move the receiver. I got a gooseneck in here, a BMW ball hitch in there. Like, it's just too much stuff. So we are going to be keeping the bumper, but it's going to be a legit white bumper, painted white with the new black trim. I'm going to be getting that on order here either this weekend, if not tomorrow, this weekend. And we're also going to be getting some new tail lights. I won't tell you guys about the tail lights until they come in. But yeah, that's what we got going on. So we got a lot of cool stuff going on right now, man. I'm really excited. Summer's right around the corner. We have the Myrtle Beach Truck Show this weekend. I'm really trying to make it there. This right here might be a problem with that, but I might just say fuck it and full send that bitch. So you know how I am. Sometimes I can get a little reckless. So I might I might not even give a shit. But I definitely want to get there and get some film. There's gonna be some cool ass trucks there. You know what I'm saying? So, absolutely. Alright, you guys. So, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I missed. And I'm pretty sure for right now, that is all we have. I mean, let me see real quick. Let me see if I got something. You know, I got a problem. I got a serious problem. I got a problem with car detailing products. I order car detailing products like it's fucking cocaine. Okay? I'm getting that shit by the kilos, by the ounces, by the packs. Something's wrong with me. I'm just kidding. I did just order some McGuire's professional detailing clay. I know I clay barred this truck and my Impala recently, but I also ordered clay bar. I ordered a polisher. I'm going to be making a video showing how to do a paint correction on your truck, or yeah, your truck, because I'm sure all y'all got trucks. I'm making a video showing you how to do a paint correction on that. It's pretty much going to make your truck look brand new. So we got a lot of cool stuff going on right now, you know what I'm saying? So, let me know how y'all feel about the video. I just wanted to kind of, bring you guys back up, let you guys know what's going on. I'm still here. I'm still kicking. So definitely, man, I appreciate all of y'all. Thank you for checking out the videos, the channel, liking the videos, commenting. Just thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Trust me, this is not the last video for the week. We're going to have some more news, some more awesome stuff. I cannot wait for the track bars to come in. Looking forward to the brake change video for the back. I know I made a video showing you guys how to change out the front brakes a while ago. So until next time, you guys take it easy. Be safe. Peace out. And then I'll give y'all that one last look of old girl. Man, I've been driving her all week. Impala's been parked. Definitely.